Intrigued by the next frontier in fashion technology? From digital fashion to the future of AI trends, join us on this exciting journey as we bridge the gap between technology and style. Find out. Welcome to the 360 Fashion Podcast, where you'll get the week's top most important news items in the realm of fashion and technology. I'm Anya, your host from 360 Fashion Network. I read hundreds of news items from fashion, augmented reality, virtual reality, wearables, robotics, textile innovation, and futurism every day. I choose the most critical items to summarize for you, saving you time so you can focus on your business. Listen and subscribe to receive this roundup regularly. Now let's jump right into it. First, revolutionizing post-holiday returns with robots in Happy Returns facility. After the holiday season, a surge in returns inundated retail, prompting the integration of robotic technology to streamline and expedite the process. Cutting-edge robots were deployed to sort, inspect, and restock return items, transforming traditionally manual and error-prone tasks into an efficient automated system. This robotic intervention not only enhanced accuracy but also significantly reduced processing times, allowing retailers to quickly reintegrate merchandise into inventory. In the realm of fashion technology, this robotic evolution could redefine the returns process, making it faster and more user-friendly for consumers, and providing a model for how future tech can handle high-volume retail periods seamlessly. News source: Robot Village. CES 2025. The Omnia Smart Mirror is a smart scale and health assessment in one. CES 2025 showcased the Omnia, an AI-powered smart mirror providing full health assessments, akin to an advanced smart scale. This innovative mirror delivered a 360-degree body scan, measuring weight, heart, and lung health, alongside an electrocardiogram feature. Omnia's platform offered additional insights into blood pressure, heart rate, sleep quality, and cardiovascular fitness, epitomizing the next level in personal health monitoring. In fashion tech, the integration of smart mirrors like Omnia could revolutionize virtual fittings, offering personalized, health-informed style recommendations and accurate size matching for a tailored shopping experience. News source: CNET. This robovac has an arm that can pick up your dirty laundry. Roborock unveiled the Saros Z70, featuring a revolutionary articulating arm to clear clutter like socks and tissues. The OmniGrip arm demonstrated intricate movements with 5-axis flexibility, including horizontal and vertical twisting. Starsight Autonomous System 2.0 used AI for advanced navigation and obstacle recognition, enhancing efficiency. This tech linked to fashion by inspiring smart wearable devices capable of precise and clutter-free management, blending AI and robotics in daily life. News source: The Verge. Halliday AI Glasses are the most discreet smart glasses yet. Halliday introduced state-of-the-art AI glasses, setting a new standard for unobtrusive design in wearable technology. These glasses combined advanced AI features with an exceptionally discreet appearance, blurring the line between traditional eyewear and smart tech. Offering functionalities such as real-time notifications, augmented reality interfaces, and voice commands, they seamlessly integrated digital enhancements into daily life. In fashion technology, Halliday's AI glasses represent a pioneering move towards incorporating high-tech features into everyday accessories, promising a future where smart wearables complement personal style discreetly. News source: Forbes. Nvidia announces $3,000 personal AI supercomputer called Digits. Nvidia launched Project Digits, a compact personal AI supercomputer, during CES, enabling sophisticated AI model processing on a device small enough for desktop use. The system, resembling a Mac Mini, features the new GB10 Grace Blackwell superchip, designed for high-performance AI calculations with up to a petaflop of processing power. With capabilities of handling AI models with up to 200 billion parameters, Digits democratizes access to advanced AI technology for data scientists, researchers, and students. For fashion technology, Digits opens new avenues in personalized fashion design and trend prediction while allowing creators to harness its AI capabilities for generating and refining customizable designs at scale. News source: The Verge. Here are the week's top news. If you want to get more fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast, 360 Fashion, or go to 360fashion.net/podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode. Let's get connected for our latest news and updates. Follow us on social media.